In 2012, I was taught how to build live edge furniture with nothing more than a belt sander, fiberglass resin, and wood glue. Very similar to this piece that you see here, made out of alligator juniper. Although the process has evolved and styles have changed, that remains the spark behind this fire of passion that has brought me to where I am today, building Uneek Kreations. In 2016, my motivation took a different turn. Post after post, I was finding ads for firewood, bucked up large maple trees, amazing beautiful wood that was just bucked up for firewood. And it hit me deep. I really felt it and I really did not like it. So I set off to buy my first and best tool I ever purchased. It was my chainsaw mill. Since the purchasing of my saw, I have salvaged over 25 trees myself and put the raw material or finished pieces into the hands of awesome local people who have an amazing respect for the trees that create the furniture that will often become the centerpiece of family gatherings and so many memories to come. I want to thank everybody for their ongoing support. I know a few people that have been following me and supporting me for years now. It's been a real pleasure and it's been a fun journey so far, and we're just getting started, and I really appreciate the support and the constant motivation and inspiration. It's priceless. Thank you very much.